Welcome to video R8, stock increase and decrease. I'll work out two problems. Here's the first one. Feel free to pause the video and try it on your own. BSMA pays $100 for a stock. In the first year, it increases 25%. In the second year, it increases 20%. In the third year, it decreases 20%. And in the fourth year, it decreases 25%. After the fourth year, BSMA sells the stock. How much money does she get back? All right, this is the way I do it. I'm going to say let X equal the original price. Oops, I won't even do that. It's $100. So $100 is the original price. I was doing it generally. All right, watch what I'm going to do. If we increase 25%, that's the equivalent to multiplying by 1.25. If it increases 20%, that's equivalent to multiplying by 1.20. I'll just put it there just so you can see. Decreasing 20% is the same as multiplying by 0.80. If you decrease 20%, you're 80% of what you were. Likewise, if you decrease 25%, that's like equivalent of 0.75 of what you were. So I'm just going to use these factors here in one fell swoop and be done with the problem. Okay, here we go. Here's our $100. First, I'm going to multiply it by 1.25. Then I'm going to multiply that by 1.20. I'll just say 1.2. Then I'm going to take that and multiply it by 0.8. Then I'm going to take that and multiply it by 0.75. So really I'm just multiplying this by this, by this, by this, by this, and I'll get my answer. We'll go to the calculator. 0.75 times 0.8 times 1.2 times 1.25 times 100, and we get an answer of $90. So there's the answer. After the fourth year, BSMA would get $90. Okay, I'll work out a second problem now. Turn this off. Just change this up. All right, same setup. In year one, let's say it increases, we'll call this part B. It increases 150%. We'll say it decreases 60%. We'll say it increases 10%. And we'll say it decreases 30%. All right, if you want to try and work out this problem, go for it. I'll work it out now. All right, this is the tricky one. If you increase 150%, that's really like 100% plus 150%, which makes 250%, which is really like multiplying by 2.5. So that's the common mistake there. People would multiply by 1.5 as opposed to 2.5. These are standard, decreasing 60%, then you're 40% of what you were. Increasing 10%, 1.1. Decreasing 30%, 0.7. So I'm going to use these factors just like I did before and be done with the problem. So here we got my $100 being multiplied by 2.5, 0.4, 1.1, and 0.7. So I'll use the calculator. .7 times 1.1 times 0.4 times 2.5 times 100. And I get an answer of, I don't know if you can see it, $77. Again, keep in mind, the order of multiplication is not important. You could go from left side to right side or the other way, and it does not matter. So once again, that's the answer to the second problem, and that's how to deal with stocks increasing and decreasing.